Now we're going to look at a heat exchanger utilizing a telescoping camera. So what you want to do with this is turn the camera on, and then you will take the telescoping wand and you will run it up inside the heat exchanger and just run it all the way back as far as you can and kind of turn it back and forth. And you're looking for any signs of white chalk or any kind of cracks or anything like that. And you'll want to do this on each individual cell until you're done. Then you can also pull the limit switch, and you go in through the limit switch and you can inspect the outside of the heat exchanger. Or you could also pull the blower and inspect it from the bottom with this camera as well. So it's a very easy way of getting in there and actually getting your eyes on the heat exchanger itself to find cracks.